Ever wonder how the world's most powerful CEOs are truly leveraging AI in late 2025? Not just for hype, but for real, tangible growth in their organizations. Forget the superficial headlines. We're cracking open the Billionaire blueprints to reveal the strategic secrets behind their effective AI change management approaches. Our focus is on the essential blend of AIQ, EEQ, and SSQ that truly defines successful and ethical digital transformation strategies. By late 2025, AI has moved beyond mere experimentation to critical integration within Fortune 500 companies across various industries. The AI tipping point, beyond the hype. By late 2025, AI has shifted from experimental tool to strategic imperative. Fortune 500 companies face a stark choice: integrate intelligently or risk obsolescence. Traditional change management strategies, linear plans, rigid project gates, top-down mandates, fail against autonomous systems, real-time data streams, and algorithmic decision-making. AI adoption curve versus traditional change management. X-axis, time, Y-axis, impact. 2 lines: traditional change, slow, plateau, versus AI adoption, accelerating, tipping point marked. Highlight the gap. Companies that fail to adopt AI become laggards, losing market share and talent. A 2025 McKinsey survey shows 78% of Fortune 500 executives admit that AI projects fail due to poor change management, not poor technology. Does your organization treat AI as a pilot project or as a core operating system? The AIQ advantage: mastering algorithmic intelligence. AIQ, AI quotient, is the organizational capability to harness data, analytics, and machine intelligence for decision-making at scale. CEOs don't just invest in AI systems, they cultivate AI literacy across the company. This is not IT's job alone. AIQ requires every leader to think algorithmically. Data literacy programs upskill middle managers to interpret dashboards, analytics, and predictive insights. Future-proof talent. Invest in reskilling employees, recruit top AI engineers, and incentivize cross-functional collaboration. Predictive integration. AI models anticipate customer needs, optimize supply chains, and forecast operational bottlenecks. Company, Microsoft Action. Leveraged AI-driven predictive analytics to cut server downtime by 35%, redirecting resources to innovation. Result: efficiency plus employee satisfaction improved. Diagram idea. Title: AIQ in action. 3 overlapping circles. Predictive analytics, customer personalization, operational optimization center. AIQ-enabled growth. The future belongs to those who can decode AI, not just deploy it. Satya Nadella, Microsoft CEO. Audit your AI literacy. Can every department read, challenge, and act on algorithmic insights? If not, you're leaving billions of potential growth on the table. Traditional change management often falls short because it doesn't address AI's unique challenges, such as critical ethical considerations and robust data governance requirements. The EEQ imperative, the empathy equation. AI adoption is more than technology. It's human psychology. Emotional and ethical intelligence, EEQ, bridges the gap between human fears and machine capabilities. Job displacement anxiety, distrust of automated decision-making, and cultural resistance are all real barriers. CEOs leading Fortune 500 companies know this, and they don't delegate it. They integrate EEQ into AI strategy. Strategies for empathetic AI integration. Transparent communication. Explain AI decisions and anticipated outcomes to teams. Bias mitigation frameworks. Ethical AI committees review algorithms for fairness. Human-AI collaboration. Create AI-augmented roles rather than replacement narratives. Leadership spotlight. Company, Salesforce. Action. Empathy-driven AI adoption program included weekly AI feedback huddles for employees. Result. Employee trust scores rose by 42% during automation rollouts. EEQ integration in AI adoption. Leadership communication. Ethical committee. Team feedback. AI deployment. Highlight feedback loop as continuous learning. Quote, "Technology amplifies what humans value, so leaders must choose what we amplify carefully." Mark Benioff, Salesforce CEO. Instruction for viewers. List the top 3 human concerns in your AI rollout. Address them publicly. Then design a feedback loop to respond in real time. The fast pace of AI development requires more agile and responsive strategies, as companies failing to adopt AI risk becoming obsolete in a competitive market. The SSQ Blueprint: Scaling Sustainable Systems. Strategic Sustainability Quotient, SSQ, is the ability to architect AI systems that scale ethically, adapt dynamically, and endure long-term. Fortune 500 CEOs don't chase short-term gains. They invest in systems, governance, and culture that will survive disruption cycles. Core SSQ principles. Cloud hybrid infrastructure. Enable enterprise-wide scalability while maintaining data sovereignty. Governance and compliance. Continuous auditing ensures AI models remain accurate, fair, and ethical. Adaptable operations. Build AI systems that can evolve with emerging technologies, regulations, and market shifts. Case study. Company, Amazon. Action. AI-powered logistics systems automatically adjust inventory, distribution, and labor schedules. Result. Reduction in overstock waste by 28%, increased sustainability of operations. SSQ in practice. Multi-tier diagram. Tier 1, infrastructure and cloud. Tier 2, governance and compliance. Tier 3, adaptable operations. Arrow showing circular, continuous improvement cycle. Review your AI architecture. Can it adapt to new regulations, ethical audits, or market demands without complete redesign? If not, invest in flexible infrastructure now. Fortune 500 Playbook. AI change management in action. Across Fortune 500 companies, the secret isn't just implementing AI. It's orchestrating AIQ, EEQ, and SSQ together. Step-by-step blueprint. Start small, think big. Launch pilot projects in low-risk areas, but plan for enterprise-wide integration. Triple intelligence audit. Assess AIQ, EEQ, SSQ gaps before rollout. Embed feedback loops. Continuous human and machine feedback drives iteration. Measure relational impact. Evaluate not just ROI, but trust, employee engagement, and ethical compliance. Scale strategically. Expand successful pilots while maintaining oversight and adaptability. Title: AI Change Management Trifecta. AIQ, Algorithms and Analytics. EEQ, Human Collaboration and Ethics. SSQ, Scalable, Sustainable Systems. Center: Successful Digital Transformation. Our goal isn't to automate humans, it's to augment humans. Paul Hudson, Sanofi CEO. Map your AI initiatives to each triangle corner. Are you balanced? Or are you overly focused on technology at the expense of humans and sustainability? Your AI transformation. Actionable steps. Whether you run a startup or a multinational, these strategies translate. The trifecta approach gives you clarity, ethical guidance, and competitive edge. Practical steps. AIQ, Conduct a company-wide AI literacy assessment. Invest in top talent. EEQ. Implement regular communication huddles, ethical oversight committees, and collaborative AI workflows. SSQ. Audit infrastructure and governance systems. Design flexible, sustainable AI pipelines. Pilot, scale. Choose one low-risk, high-impact AI project to apply these principles. Measure and iterate. Combine quantitative KPIs with qualitative human feedback. It's not about if you adopt AI, it's about how thoughtfully you integrate it. Elena Karuba. AI transformation cycle. Pilot, evaluate, iterate, scale, sustain. Take your first step. Identify one AI project this week, map it across AIQ, EEQ, and SSQ, and define a measurable human impact. Share your blueprint in the comments. Let's elevate AI adoption together. Case studies reveal how AI is leveraged for highly personalized customer experiences, boosting conversion rates by 25% for a leading Fortune 500 retailer. General Mills is saving millions through AI-driven logistics optimization, while predictive analytics are transforming various key business functions across the board. Navigating the human element is crucial. By addressing employee fears of job displacement and fostering effective human-AI collaboration in the workplace. This involves redesigning workflows to integrate AI effectively while ensuring employees are comfortable and proficient with these powerful new tools. Building ethical AI frameworks with key elements like transparency, bias mitigation, and responsible deployment practices is absolutely essential for success. Effective AI governance incorporates ethical oversight mechanisms, such as regular bias assessments, to ensure consistently fair and unbiased outcomes in operations. The Strategic Sustainability Quotient, or SSQ, emphasizes a long-term strategic vision over short-term gains in all AI initiatives and deployments. Top companies are architecting scalable AI infrastructure using advanced cloud and hybrid models, alongside robust data governance frameworks for reliability. This enables true enterprise-wide AI adoption and future-proofs operations by building adaptable AI systems that evolve seamlessly with emerging technologies. Agentic AI systems, for instance, can perceive context, make autonomous decisions, and take actions like drafting customer replies or summarizing important calls. For your AI transformation journey, start small with pilots. Think big for scalability, and always prioritize ethical considerations from the outset. The power of the trifecta. Mastering AIQ, EEQ, and SSQ unlocks unparalleled growth and fosters truly sustainable AI adoption across organizations. The future isn't about if you adopt AI, but how thoughtfully and strategically you integrate it to achieve lasting competitive advantage. Organizations that prioritize continuous learning and encourage experimentation adapt more effectively to AI advancements, ensuring long-term success and resilience.